Okay, so I got Wacky Track, Pea Popper. Yay! I'm just gonna dump the whole freaking thing out. Sorry. Thank you! Hey guys, it's a Girl Princess. Today I got my 2 glow-in-the-dark Pop Its. Oh my goodness! Okay, so I got this kind of puppet.
There you go.
Thank you.
You guys enjoy.
You too.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for letting me bind it. Is like the funnest place that has so many Pop Its, and I bought so many Pop Its, so I'm gonna show you. Oh, y'all can already see half of that. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with this dimple. This looks really cool, and it has one. Learning Express is so much fun. So now that we got the dimple, here's a triple dimple. And I got pink because it's my favorite color. Another triple dimple, and it's purple. Pink and purple are my most favoriteest color. Here's my needles. I have one strawberry needle. Ooh, that looks so cute. Whoa, okay. Now we have a banana. This is my softest needle. Okay, now we have this orange needle. This is the only rainbow snapper I have. Okay, so I have blue monkey needles and yellow monkey needles, and I have these 2, and I have these 3 monkey needles, and they're textured. So yeah, except for the blue and yellow, except for these 2. These are not textured. These are. Okay. Now I'm going to be showing pop tubes. This is the only pop tube I have. Whoa, that's crazy. That's crazy. Show your Wacky Tracks. Blue and orange. No, green and orange and blue and orange. Pop Its. Oh, I forgot this dimple, by the way. Whoopsies. I have one big dimple. Now get your marble and mesh. Hold on, I'm finding mine. So here we go. Here's my marble and mesh. That's my marble and mesh. So comment down below if you know what these are, because I don't really know, because like it starts with water something something. And now show your Rubik's. Oh my goodness, I bet I can solve this. I don't know if that's a dimple or a poppet, but I think this is a dimple. And lastly, show all of your poppets. So here's my T-Rex poppet. Here's my shark poppet. And here is my dinosaur poppet. And here's my unicorn poppet. Here's my two glow-in-the-dark poppets. Here's my rhino poppet. Here's my circle poppet. Here's my other circle poppet. Here is my cupcake poppet. Here is my rainbow poppet. Here's my butterfly poppet. Here is my spaceship a rocket poppet. And here is my other dinosaur poppet. Yeah, I have too many poppets, y'all. So yeah, bye. I'm just kidding. But I am gonna do a video where I'm like trading this poppet, going once, going twice, going. I'm gonna do that video. Guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below if you love my channel, and comment down below what this is, because I really don't know. It starts with water something something. But yeah, comment down below. But yeah, bye. See you guys later. Always go to the link in my channel bio.